Hey there. So you have a SHEIN network error, right? The first thing you gotta do is close your SHEIN app, then head to your app store. And make sure you've got the latest version. Click on the app itself. If it says open instead of update, then you've got the right one. Alright, for the next thing, let's open up SHEIN app. Right now, locate it here on your screen, and then tap on Me that is available in the bottom right corner. After that, go to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. Now, this is where we want to do some extra stuff. Open up SHEIN again and look for the clear cache, which is under blocked contact list. Click on Yes. If it doesn't work, try this last tip. Shift from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa. Then, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary. If neither of these works, try going to a different network. I hope this helps. Hit the thumbs up, like, and let me know if it works for you. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.